Hi everybody, I hope this video finds you well. As you are, I'm sure aware already, looks like we're going to be doing this for the rest of the school year, so we're going to have to figure everything out. I think you guys have been doing a great job so far, so keep up the good work. We have a pretty busy week, even though it's a short week. We have basically planned that by the end of the week we're going to be finished the skeletal system. So we have two more lessons to do, and we have a quiz this week. We have a hand quiz that is scheduled for Wednesday. So be prepared for that, and I've posted some things that'll help you out for that quiz. And then we have a project that we're going to be working on this week, which is basically a review game, and there's some instructions posted below. And that's going to be due Friday. So Friday's assignment is actually going to be to play the review games that everybody's created. So hopefully I'm going to try to set something up where we can do something virtual if people can make it, where we can play some games together and at least have some video contact or voice contact with everybody else in the class. So we'll see if we can set that up for later this week. I hope everybody's doing well, and have a great week. Thanks. Bye.